Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with USPS. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the platform that we are using for our WooCommerce store. Most often it's going to be WordPress. So what you can do is go ahead and open up WordPress.com. From here, if you have not already set up your store, just go into the plugin section and set up your WooCommerce plugins that you need to run your store. After that, we can get started with integrating our store with USPS. So to do that, we're going to go to the official WooCommerce website, right here at WooCommerce.com, and go ahead and open up the extensions tab at the top of the screen. This is going to open up this extensions marketplace from where we can search all the extensions we can use, and what we're going to do is go ahead and use this search bar right here and search for USPS. As you can see, by searching for USPS, it's going to give us this result right here, the USPS shipping method that's going to enable us to get shipping rates from the USPS API, which handles both domestic and international parcels. So you can go and choose your plan you want to use right here, the 1-year plan, the 2-year plan, and then click buy now to buy the extension for yourself. Once you have bought it, you can go ahead and open it up and get started integrating it with your WooCommerce store that you have set up in WordPress. It's going to show you the step-by-step on how you can get started using it and integrating this platform directly with this extension right here. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.